Hello everyone, welcome back to the video and let me ask you the question first, which is do you use history like terminal history or arrow keys to find a command which you type before in your Linux terminal? So if you do that, then here is a better way of finding your old commands, which is called reverse search. And how to use it? You just need to press Ctrl R in your terminal and it will open reverse search mode in your terminal, and then you can just type any string uh, to search your history for the matching string and it will return you the command. So let's take an example. So let's say I type app. So I type sometimes sudo apt update before. So it matched my apt string to this command. You can see like sudo apt update. So apt is matching this command. So it is just giving me that result. If you type, let's say ls, then it is giving me result for ls. If I type docker, then it is giving me result for docker. So you can basically type any string, it will go through your terminal history and give you the result. And if you just want to run that command, just see what is the result and press enter. It will run that command, and you don't need to go through terminal history and use arrow keys to go on your old commands, and that's all. It's pretty fast. So if you were using terminal history or something else, then use reverse search and you will never go back for the history because it's very fast, and you terminal users like fast commands obviously. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, uh subscribe to my channel, and that's all. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.